I grew up hunting and fishing. I've been a lifelong member of Minnesota, you know. A few years ago, I was experiencing some lower back pain. I went to my regular doctor and they decided to do an MRI. Biopsy was performed and they came in and told me, you have cancer. You have a very deadly cancer.
Bruce was diagnosed with a chordoma, and that is a type of tumor that grows often in the sacrum or the skull base, so the top and bottom of the spine. And it is a slowly growing but fairly aggressive tumor. Now, the treatment for chordoma is an aggressive surgery where we take the tumor out in one piece.
Dr. Clark is one of the few doctors in the world that could do this surgery. She explained to me with great confidence, I can get this thing. You could see it in her eyes. This gal wasn't going to lose.
Because it is so complicated, very few people are interested in doing it. And Mayo Clinic is one of the places where we are easily able to get these multidisciplinary teams together and perform such complex surgeries.
You meet this team, and this team thoroughly goes through every process and explains it to you what's going to happen.
One of the major concerns we had with surgery was losing function of legs, especially his feet, which would have really made it difficult for him to do a lot of the things that he really enjoys doing.
When I came to after surgery, I was in intensive care, and one of the surgeons came in and pushed on my feet and said, can you feel this? I says, yeah. Can you wiggle your toes? I said, wiggled my toes. Can you push on my hands? I pushed on her hands. And she goes, yes.
Bruce is actually doing very well, and it is amazing when he comes back and talks about all the things he's doing.
I love the walleye fish. I love just to go snowshoeing in the woods. These are things I've always did, and I still can do them, but now it's with a whole different passion, a whole different meaning.
The goal for all of us is to cure his cancer. And he has worked just as hard as we have to make that happen.
Through Mayo, I was able to regain my life I had before. I didn't have to go into that wheelchair that I feared so much. It really changes the outlook of your life.